Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute. Not been on this for the longest time and lots of stuff has changed, and as you can see I'm in a new place. I thought I would jump on the trend, so to speak, and do a little video about my eats. So last week I asked my sister, who doesn't live with me, what she likes to eat, what kind of stuff she enjoys eating, and I thought it would be a great idea if I swapped diets with her. And I don't really like saying diets because the food that she eats isn't a part of a diet, it's just something, it's just the stuff that she likes eating. So I don't really like saying diet, but I don't really know how else to say it. But basically I'm going to be swapping my regular food choices, my regular food menu, with things that my sister would normally eat on a regular basis, weekly, etc. So she sent me some ideas last week and I've already been shopping, so I've stocked my fridge with all of the goodies, all of the stuff that she likes to eat, and I'm excited, guys. It's been really nice to do something a little different. So right now it is 10:10 in the morning, so that obviously means it's breakfast time. So here is the list that she sent me. So I basically asked her this. I was like, hi, you know, I want to try something new, I'm bored, can you send me some ideas and stuff? And basically my sister is like a Mexican queen, like she loves Mexican food, so I was kind of not shocked when she told me she likes Mexican food. So she gave me some suggestions, and here's a little sample menu of the stuff that she likes to eat. So have breakfast, lunch and dinner. So my sister actually prefers to eat her dinner, so like heavier food in as for lunch, and then have like lighter food for dinner. As you guys know, I am not a meat eater, so I will not be eating prawns or chicken or anything like that. It's actually a working day today, so I shouldn't really be dwindling around too much. I'm going to try and find something that I can do really quick, eat it, get back to work. Okay, so this morning I decided to make eggs for breakfast. I think I'm gonna just scramble my eggs because that's really easy. So I'm just gonna start by doing that. I think I'll have one egg for now, and if I get hungry I can always just have another one later. Ooh. So I'll just add my spinach in there, do like a little omelette. I'm gonna put this in the microwave because it's so much easier, and like I said before, I'm working, I don't have a lot of time to be like doing an omelette on the hob or anything like that, and plus I'm proper lazy, so not doing that. Spinach, my chopped tomato. Oh gosh, I should have like this, yeah, use the spoon. That's it, guys. Breakfast. Oops. Breakfast is served. Back for my walk, so that's why I've still got my cap on, but I'm really hungry, but I'm really proud of my lunch. I'll just show you what it looks like. So, tacos, so to speak, but I don't have any taco shells or anything like that, so I had some romaine lettuce. I've just used that instead. So I've just got romaine lettuce with obviously veggie or vegan mince in there. I've got some tomatoes, red pepper, and of course avocado, and I've just squeezed lime all over it. And yeah, that is lunch for today. This took, I'd say like maybe like 10 minutes or something like that, or 10, just above 10 minutes. Really easy. So already I'm kind of shocked at like how it takes about 10 minutes to put a dish in the microwave, so in that time I could have a really nice, nutritious and fresh meal. So yeah, Maybe it's not as bad as I thought it first was to cook from scratch, but hey, it's a learning curve and I'm learning. Oh my god. I might look like I'm ready to conquer the day, but honestly, I'm tired. Very, very hungry. I don't know if anyone else gets hungry more when they haven't slept properly. I feel like I just want to devour everything right now. And I hate that feeling. Because I know, like, when I get up hungry, I realise that I end up overeating during the day. And I know that's a really awful habit of mine, but I just, when I'm tired, I just want to eat everything. So today I'm going to need some willpower to not just overeat and especially eat rubbish.
There's a disconnect between what they say and what they do, and if we were being very cynical about it, then what has Disney got to do with the race tensions in America today? Can they actually help, or are they just paying lip service to the cause?
So I'm now back for my walk. It's the second day, and I want to do quesadillas. I can never say it, but anyway, quesadillas. I think it's like the wrap thing that you put in a pan with like meat and veg and things like that. And I think I have a wrap style thing in the fridge that I need to use out because it's been there for a while. So perfect opportunity for me to use that. It's this. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but this is like a low calorie, what is it? It's like a low calorie, high fiber, low carb, dairy free wrap thing that I've been getting for years. So just gonna use the same ingredients. So because everything is like Mexican, it's the same sort of stuff. So like avocado, tomatoes again, maybe lime. I have some coriander as well that I can use. Maybe some cheese, some Baby Bell cheese as well. So just a whole lot of stuff that I can throw into this quesadilla, I think. It's the same kind of ingredients as yesterday, except this time I have the smoky fajita chicken with avocado, a little bit of coriander in there, tomatoes and red pepper with a little bit of lettuce as well, just for balance. Dinner today, I just have a protein wrap. I think it's gluten-free as well, which is good. I'm just gonna have that wrap with like the rest of the yogurt from this. This is one of my favorite yogurts. I eat so much of this stuff. So this is just a plant-based yogurt from Alpro, and there's like a bit at the bottom. I'm just gonna like eat the rest of that yogurt with the wrap. So I'm not feeling like really hungry, which is, to be honest, I'm so happy, because usually at this time of night I want to like eat everything, and I'm so surprised because I'm always like after work like ravishing. I always feel like I'm desperately hungry, but to be honest, like feeling pretty stable. Like my hunger isn't crazy. I'm not craving like proper sweet food either, which I normally do after work, so I'm pretty impressed. Like I'm quite happy. I'm not having crazy cravings, so I'll see how this does me. This should be okay actually. These Fibre One things are so bad, but I love them. Today it's gonna rain. It's just so dark in here. Good morning, everybody. So I just had to open the blinds because it's very dark in here. Today I'm just going to be making eggs again because I have a lot of eggs that I need to get rid of. So it's going to be a good idea to make eggs. We'll go from there.
Je suis saoule de tous tes gestes. Tu me rends la 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 la. Succomber n'est pas chose facile. Face à toi, je perds le nord.
So again, we have egg with tomatoes, spinach, and vegan peronaise because that stuff is good. It's such a beautiful day today outside. For once, it's actually nice and sunny. We have something cooking on the hob here for lunch. So I have found a recipe online that I wanted to try, and it is the 15-minute cannellini bean stew. I don't know if this is on my sister's menu or this is something that she would have, but I think I did see something about like soup or like a curry kind of thing. So I kind of wanted to make this a stew, but it's looking a lot more like soup instead of stew, so we'll just go with that. I think this is going to be going for another, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, which is perfect because it's exactly the right time that I want to eat. So really looking forward to eating this. Yeah, I usually go for a walk every day just to get out of the house, and obviously with what's going on with COVID, it's really nice to just have some fresh air now, and now that we have the complete freedom to just go out when we want, I'm definitely taking advantage of it. So yeah. It's quite like tomato. Ooh. It's tomatoey. It's alright actually, it's quite good.
Tu me rends la 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 la. Vois-tu, tu me rends folle. Ça meurt, ça meurt, ça meurt.
Good morning, it's Thursday today. Switching to my sister's diet, so to speak. This morning I was so tired. I woke up at the same time as usual. I had a pretty good night's sleep, I'd say, but I was just so tired. I tried to do my normal workout, which is what I do early in the morning, so I just was tired. I was struggling to complete it, and this is no way a bad reflection of what my sister eats. I think it's just down to the fact that her food consists of a lot, because I am not a meat eater. The ideas that she gave me was really based around having chicken and fish with every meal, and of course I don't eat meat, so I haven't been eating chicken or fish. So that I think is her protein sources. So because I don't have that in my meals, and I've been perhaps using other sources, so I've had sort of like the alternative meats, etc., it's not quite equating to the same protein levels. A lot of my protein comes from protein powder, so this whole week it's been about 4 days that I haven't had protein powder, which, to be honest, a lot of my protein comes through like supplements, etc. So because I haven't had any, I feel like I'm feeling it now. So this morning I'm just going to have some fruit and yogurt for breakfast, I think.
Oh yeah.
Vois-tu, moi j'en rafale de ton summer love.
So this is my dinner today, guys. as you know, balance and all that. So I got this donut from a donut company called Considerate, and they're a vegan company, I think, and they deliver donuts. And right now I'm just in need of like some comfort. I've been good all week. I followed my sister's diet. I think it's been quite a healthy diet, but I just, yeah. And this week's been really tough. I think it's been one of those, yeah, it's been a tough week with what's been going on in the States and everywhere really. So I just thought I needed something just to help with that. So here's a donut. It's been a long week. It's been a difficult week for sure, but it's also been a long week, and wow, my nose is running. But yeah, today is Friday and I'm almost at the end of this week of eats. It's currently 12 o'clock. I have had a breakfast. I was trying to finish like this whole bag of pears because I bought this at the beginning of the week and I just wanted to get through it. So I had one of these and I also had some yogurt. So it wasn't very exciting, so I didn't really bother to like vlog it or talk about it. But yeah, I've been really getting into having fruit, and I do enjoy fruit. I do enjoy raspberries, strawberries, pears, kiwis, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I've been missing out, man. Like, I've really enjoyed having fruit for breakfast. So yeah, and obviously it makes you feel super healthy. So last night I had that donut that I showed you, but I also ended up having another one of the donuts as well. Which was meant to be for tonight, but I was like, I just really wanted another one. So you know, just it's all about balance, it's all about moderation. So yeah, it's, you know, if you crave it, then have it. Why not? So right now I'm just making some tea because I have another Skype meeting for work right in about 10 minutes. I'm just gonna get a tea break and then maybe get a snack. Can you guess what the snack is right now? The last bag of popcorn, which is in here. So I've managed to get through a whole like 6-pack this week. But literally popcorn is the only snack I really have in the day. So I'll be having some of that with a nice cup of tea. So what did I actually learn from this experience? Well, I learned that fresh is always best. It's okay to use what I have in the fridge, and variety is the spice of life. Fruit is amazing for breakfast, and sometimes, just sometimes, you need a little bit of a pick-me-up. But it's all good, because apart from that...
Really good otherwise, let me tell you.
Yeah, really good.